What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in the lab again today, and this is going to be episode 2 of our crawler hauler trailer build. We are going to be welding up today and doing a couple other things, so stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so the biggest thing today, we're going to be welding up our cross beams here. Obviously, there's a big hole here. This was like a camper trailer, so it's probably where they had either a water tank or something like that up front. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some cross bracing, and then we're also going to add some more of these guys coming out along, since this is actually going to be a drive over the tire trailer. We're going to need those braces to hold the boards out. Once we get all these beams put in, then we've got to work on doing the drive over fenders. I'm going to go ahead and start doing some measurements for that, so that we can just go ahead and have our steel place bend it for us exactly what we need, and then we can weld it on. But that is our plan. We went ahead and got everything put in, guys. We went ahead and got it all leveled in, got it all squared off. We tacked it up, so now it's time to go ahead and just start burning everything in. As far as the center braces, once all that's done, we'll move to the outside, and then we'll hit the tongue on the front. That's going to be it for episode 2. We're basically running out of daylight almost. Not really running out of daylight, but it is getting ready to start pouring down rain here. So being that it's such a big trailer and we're outside, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. We've got all the center beams already put together and fully welded. And then it's basically just the offset tabs for the drive over fenders that we still need to work on. We went ahead and got the tongue put on. That way we can hook it up. Unfortunately, we don't have 220 anymore at the shop. So now we've got the tongue back on it, so I can take it over to somewhere that does have 220, and I can bring my welder over there and we can finish doing it. But pretty good amount of progress done today in a short amount of time. So stay tuned for the next episode. As usual, guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, follow us, tell your friends about us, and if you've got any good comments, recommendations on the trailer, put them down below. I will say one thing. Originally, we were thinking about doing just a hauler out of this, but now I'm kind of leaning towards maybe adding a small camper on the front of it. Seen a lot of the big crawler hauler guys do that. So that kind of piqued my interest. So trying to decide on if now we want to build one, we want to find an old enclosed trailer, an old runaway camper, something to put on the front. That way we've got a little bit of place to camp, maybe something that fits about a queen size mattress with a nice little AC in it. Nothing too bougie, but let us know what you guys think, what you guys would do. Thanks again. See you guys next time.